Good morning friends, my name is Rakeshwar Doshi, lecturer of Raigad College of Pharmacy. Today's lecture topic aromatic amines. Okay, in your last lecture seen phenols. Okay, aromatic amines contents. First, introduction of amines and aromatic amines. Second one, structure of aromatic amines. Third one, nomenclature of aromatic amines. Then fourth one, physical properties. Fifth one, chemical properties. Sixth one, basicity of amines and salt formation. Seventh one, effect of substituent on basicity. Eighth one, method of preparation of aromatic amines. 9. Reactions of aromatic amines. And last one, synthesis uses of aryl diazonium salt. Okay, these are all aromatic amines content. Okay, first point of aromatic amines, introduction of aromatic amines and aromatic amines. Okay, amines are similar to ammonia base with one or more alkyl or alkyl group bonded to the nitrogen atom. Okay, this one structure of amine, ammonia. Okay, the classification: primary, secondary, tertiary, corresponding to the number of hydrogen atom or alkyl replaced. The general structure of amine: in first case seen ammonia, then a primary amine, then secondary amine, then tertiary amine. Okay, these are general structure of amine. Aromatic amines or aryl amines. Okay, the amino derivative of the aromatic hydrocarbon are two types. First one, aromatic amine or also called aryl amine, then aryl alkyl or aryl alkyl amine. Okay, in first case, in which the NH2 group is attached directly to a carbon of the benzene ring. In the second case, NH group is attached to the carbon of the side chain. Okay, method of preparation and reaction: aromatic amines are similar to the alkyl amines. Okay, method and preparation are similar. Okay, aromatic amines and simple amines. Second point, structure of aromatic amine. In this studying molecular structure, then electronic cloud model. Okay, molecular structure study, take an example of aniline. Okay, similar to the monohalogenated benzene compound. Okay, aniline similar to the monohalogenated benzene compound, and nitrogen atom may be considered as a sp2 hybridized. Okay, this one atomic orbital model. Okay, and this one electronic cloud model of aniline. Okay, these both structure of aniline. 3 sp2 orbital are forming sigma bond with the carbon of the ring and 2 hydrogen atoms, but the benzene sp3 hybridized, hence aniline structure form pyramidal structure, hence aniline approximately form sp3 hybridized structure. Okay, in your second semester discussing, okay, studying hybridization, in which pyramidal or tetrahedral structure called as a sp3 hybridization. Okay, this one sp3 hybridized nitrogen. Okay, resonance hybrid structure in a 4 canonical form. Okay, this one is the resonance structure of aniline. Okay, in this 2 Kekulé form, Kekulé structure form, and 3 others. Third point, nomenclature of aromatic amines. Okay, in point studying nomenclature. Okay, some rules for giving nomenclature. First one, the aromatic amines may be by the naming the aryl groups bonded to nitrogen. Sorry. The aromatic amines may be named by the naming the aryl groups bonded to the nitrogen and adding the suffix amine. If the same groups appears more than once, the prefix di, tri, etc. is used. Okay. First structure phenylamine, then diphenylamine. Okay. In case one ring attached to NH2 group. Okay. In case diphenylamine, two benzene ring attached to NH2 group. Okay. In this case, three rings attached to the NH2, NH3. Okay, NH3 group. When two or three NH2 group are present in the benzene ring, the suffix uses diamine, triamine. The position of NH2 group are indicated by prefix ortho, meta or para by using the numbers. Okay. These are the structure. Orthophenylene diamine. In case NH2 group present in ortho position. Okay. Methaphenylene diamine. In case NH2 group present in a meta position. Then para. Both NH2 group present in a para position. Hence, the nomenclature gives paraphenylene diamine. Okay. Then 1,2,4 benzene triamine. In case NH2 groups by numbering. Okay. First, second and fourth. Okay. The aromatic amines may be named as amino derivatives of the parent hydrocarbon. Okay. First, aminobenzene. Okay. In case benzene ring and NH2 group. Okay. NH2 means amino and this one benzene ring. Then para-aminotoluene. Okay. This is general known toluene. Okay. Para-aminotoluene. Then 2-amino paraxylene. Okay. Then third rule for nomenclature of aromatic amines. The common names are frequently used for simpler and technical aromatic amines. First one aniline, then orthotoluidine, then paratoluidine, then metatoluidine. Okay. These are the present in the numbering. Okay. By position. Okay. Ortho, meta, para. And the last two. Alkyl or aromatic secondary and tertiary amines are named as the alkyl derivative of the parent compound, aniline. The prefix N being used to indicate that the alkyl group is specifically located on nitrogen. If more than one nitrogen is present, they are differentiated N, N dash, N2 dash. Okay. These are the structure paramethylene aniline. Okay. Then N-methylene aniline. Okay. Then NN dimethylene aniline. Okay. In case 2-methyl group was found. In this case N dash dimethyl para diaminobenzene. This one. These are structure present in opposite side also. Okay. Then physical properties of aromatic amines. Aromatic amines are generally colorless liquid or solids, odor which is unpleasant. Okay, turn brown in color due to oxidation, high boiling point, sparingly soluble in water but dissolve in a benzene and other organic solvent. Okay. Then aromatic amines are highly toxic substances. Liquid are readily absorbed through the skin. Okay. Vapors when inert for prolonged period of symptoms of toxicity. Okay. These are the dangerous one chemical. Okay. Precautions taken by in a practical. Okay. Chemical properties of aromatic amine. The aromatic amines in general gives all the reactions of the amino group, primary, secondary or tertiary of the aliphatic amines. Okay. However, the reactivity of amine group is modified owing to the delocalization of the non-bonded electron on a nitrogen atom into the pi system of the aromatic ring. Compared to aliphatic amines, aromatic amines are weak bases and the R bond N bond hydrogen atom. Okay, nitrogen and hydrogen atom. Bond become less susceptible to displacement by nucleophiles. Aryl amines therefore form a stable diazonium salt while their aliphatic counterparts are unstable. The interaction of the non-bonded electron of a nitrogen atom with the benzene ring system, the benzene ring to attack by electrophiles, thus aromatic amine undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, okay, and it is in the benzene ring, while the hydrocarbon group in aliphatic amines, that is quite inert, okay, aliphatic amines inert राहतात, okay. The next point, basicity of amines salt formation, okay. Like ammonia, amines are converted into their salts by aqueous mineral acid and are liberated from their salt by aqueous hydroxide. Like ammonia, therefore amines are more basic than water and less basic than hydroxide ion. These one reactions, okay. Stronger base gives weaker acid, stronger base gives weaker acid, okay. In this stronger base RNH2, okay, formation of RNH3 and plus water. Then in RNH3 stronger base, okay, then formation of RNH2 weaker base. The next point, measuring acidity and measuring basicity, okay. First one, measuring acidity. We found it convenient to compare acidities of carboxylic acid by measuring the extent to which they give a hydrogen ion to water. The equilibrium constant for this reaction is called acidity constant, also denoted Ka value, okay. Then measuring basicity. In the same way, it is convenient to compare basicity of amines by measuring the extent to which they accept hydrogen ion from water. The equilibrium constant for these reactions is called a basicity constant, also denoted by Kb value, okay. Each amine has its characteristic Kb value. The larger the Kb value, the stronger the base, okay. These are reactions, these are equilibrium reactions, okay. Then alkylamine react with water, formation of RNH3 plus hydroxide ion, okay, and Kb value RNH3 plus OH negative divided by RNH2, okay. These are equation was found. Aliphatic amines of all three classes have Kb's of about 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 4. They are the somewhat stronger base than ammonia. Ammonia Kb value 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay. In this case, aromatic amines on the other hand are considerably weaker bases than ammonia, having Kb's value 10 to the power minus 9 or less. Okay. Then structure and basicity are discussed in the second part of the aromatic amines lecture. Okay. Thank you.